Hello! In this video I review Canon MAXIFY GX7100 series model. I cover the following in the video, and for the GX6100 series find the detailed video in the upper right corner. These are the 2025 GX series models. Anyway, in different regions or countries, models have different regional names which can be found in the online manuals. In this video I use GX7140 model. Let's have a look into differences between the GX6100 and GX7100. There are additional paper cassette, additional scanner unit for one-pass two-sided scanning, and fax function. GX7100 model has two paper cassettes and rear tray. Rear tray supports up to 1.2 meter long media, which I have already covered in the video on predecessor model. Maximum office paper capacity is 600 pages in 3 trays. The upper paper cassette, called Cassette 1, supports more paper sizes than the lower paper cassette, called Cassette 2. The GX7100 model is the only GX model with one-pass two-sided scan. Scan to computer, network folder, email, cloud or USB memory is supported. Here I show how both scanners light up at the same time when two-sided scan is set. For all fax-related setup functions and software, see my GX series fax video in the upper right corner. In the next part I cover what is not new compared to the predecessor. The ink bottles are the same. Clean and easy ink pouring by double hole system. Capacity is big and can be increased by 50% when using Eco mode. The Eco mode is business-like quality, and I show later in the video. Each ink tank has ink sensor for accurate ink level detection. Full pigment color inks are water resistant on all MAXIFY GX series models, and also certificate for archivability. Not only low ink costs, also maintenance is cheap and simple. Maintenance cartridge is a consumable and can easily be replaced about every 10,000 pages. As maintenance is same as on predecessor, find my detailed video in the upper right corner. Next I do my usual print and copy speed test. Only this time I use two-sided originals. My device is set to Eco mode. When I set the copy settings, I can save them to the profile. Scan destinations, fax destinations and copy settings can be registered. In my presets, I select this copy profile. I stopwatch the copy job. The original is printed on color laser. To make your purchase decision on small office multifunctional printers, see the detailed comparison with copy speed tests in my video in the upper right corner. Finally, let me summarize what is new compared to predecessor. The quality has been optimized. See original and copy have nice color matching. Barcode mode has been added to driver for more accurate barcode printing. There is no more styrofoam packaging. There are few design changes like transparent paper output and ink tanks windows. Connectivity is more stable and security is upgraded to latest requirements. There is a list of software and apps that are useful with GX models. The software setup is now easier, and finally user interface icons are aligned with latest Canon print app version, similar to latest laser models, for which you find my video in the upper right corner. And that would be all in this video. Find more about MAXIFY GX series on my channel, see link to playlist in the description, and feel free to comment and subscribe as it helps me to grow the channel and create more content. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye!